Okay, so I'm going to pull Zach up here. He's busy eating his the rest of his salad. But Zach is one of our volunteers, comes every month faithfully. Last month, yes, go Zach. Last month, Zach faithfully rolled all those falafel that we had. And I said, Zach, can you come in again on Sunday? And he said, he's not Mike, so I'll talk for him. And so I demonstrated how to make a dumpling. So that's all we're going to do tonight. But like I said at the intro, like you really need to cook them as soon as you've made them, because otherwise you can end up in a big tangle. But anyway, Zach mastered the dumplings. I know there's different styles because we've got young Zara down the back floating around, and she showed us a different way. So there are different ways to wrap dumplings, but we've just done the standard style, haven't we, Zach? And Zach mastered it. So you simply, who knows the dumpling wrappers? Yeah, do you shop at shops? So I'm not going to show you the filling because you've got it on your recipe. We're just going to do a rapid spot and then have dessert, and then Gordon's got his health talk. So we're just going to speed race you through how to wrap a dumpling. Over to you, Zach. Come on over. So these are from the Asian shop. Any Asian shop have them for about $3.50 for a packet of 50. Pretty good going. And Zach, all you need is, yep. He's going to dip, excuse our fingers, you're not going to eat this. We do practice food hygiene around here, but we're in our bare hands, well washed. Yep, go Zach.
Do you want to tell them what I'm doing?
Yep, so Zach's now going to put the filling in. Can you see on screen? Yep. And, you know, I said to him when we started this exercise yesterday, I said, it's just like rolling a cigarette. He said, I'll be right with that. Like we had our journey with rolling cigarettes back in the day. We're all reformed now. But I think he mastered it. He did master it better than me. So here he goes. He's just going to wrap it all. He's probably nervous. You know, I had filling oozing out of mine all day yesterday, and he got it perfect every time. What? Move your head. The camera. Okay, because they're looking on the screen.
Move which way?
Can you see now? Yeah. Okay. Is that all right? Yeah, that's good. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in the pan now. And the one thing I didn't bring up, Deborah, could you just bring me up a spatula? All right, and because, you know, just so you get it right, thanks Zach, do another one. And then we're just going to give these a quick little fry, and it's a really rapid dispatch because we probably had about 400, or the ones that we could recover in about an hour, where Gina and I did them a quick. So it's just a little bit of olive oil in a non-stick pan. Thank you. Oh, no. A fish slice. Sorry. Anyway, it's all good. I've just got this on low until Zach's got the other one done. And while we're waiting, look at that. It's a perfect dumpling. Fabulous. While we're waiting, so then for those of you who are gluten-free, we have got some tofu pockets here. So do you want to just show the pocket? Just hold it up. So you actually get these at an Asian shop too, and they're just called tofu pockets. They're fairly highly fermented and with lots of sugar and stuff, so they're not exactly 100% healthy. They were going to be on the menu instead of the dumplings, but they're tasty and they're gluten-free, so, you know, for an Asian delight. So, Zach, you can show them how to fill one of those now, and I'll just get the dumpling on the cook here. I'm just going to turn this up in the pan. So they just, yeah, can you just show them one unwrapped, and then, yeah, so they just open up like you had the... Here's the camera. You see? So it's just a little pocket, little tofu pocket. I don't know how they make them, but they you can pocket them well. So I actually got this idea from dear Moira, who's sitting down the front, who used to bring this dish here and there when we were gathered for a meal, didn't you? And we've kind of modified it, so done the mushrooms and garlic and ginger. Everything's just totally loaded with garlic and ginger tonight, in case you didn't know. So, and yay, Phil, we've got you on the piano. Are you going to play for us? We're delighted. Just while we're, you know what, I think that'll be just about right there. Oh, yes, we are. This element is super cool. So just slightly brown on both sides of this. You can usually chuck about half a dozen in the pan. And then I just simply add a little bit of water and it'll just steam nicely and spark away. Put the lid on and basically, oh, I hope we don't set the fire alarms off. We have had a moment with the fire engine, fire company arriving. So there's our inari, and basically you just put that into a dish and heat it if you like. You can actually eat them cold, can't you? But they're all right warm. And then just cover with some spring onions and sesame seed and ala, you've got your dumplings or your inari. Thank you, Zach. All right, that's it. We'll have some playing from Phil, thank you. So they're cooked. I'll turn that off and we're all done and done.